Hi guys, this is open box review for DuraTech 6-piece screwdriver set. I received this one as an evaluation set from vendor DuraTech, but I will share my independent and honest opinion based on my own experience. Let's open the box. First, you see the DuraTech carry case, and then you see other notes. Here's everything including the box. Let's take on this little thank you notes with the supporting words. And this is next one is the detailed category from the DuraTech All the Handy Tools. Very good summary. Let's open the zipper to open the DuraTech box or case. The first thing is demagnetization. Here's everything including the box. It's weighted about 10.85 ounce, so very handy and not very heavy. Then let's check on the quality of the carry case. You can see the stitches is really good, but the board inside is not very good quality. You can easily bend it. All the stitches very strong. I don't see any missed stitches. The elastomer is also strong, as all stitches really well. They have no problem to hold all those screwdriver inside. The only thing they could improve, instead of using the paperboard inside, they could use some better material. And here's the screwdriver set. My favorite one is the lock. You can lock it as a right-handed or left-handed only screwdriver. I really like this satisfying mechanical sound when the locking is in place. And you can see the smart design, sky blue versus black color. Very good pattern. I can feel the friction grip. Really good. I don't have any slip issues. And then here's a magnetization tool. Let's magnetize it. You can pick up the small knots. And then like the demagnetization, the magnetization is gone. You're not gonna pick up any small pieces. That's really work well. And then let's compare with the DuraTech Set screwdriver. They're very short and also they don't create that much torque. I also have the electric screwdriver, but they're convenient, but they don't go very deep. If I had any deeper job, I have to use this DuraTech tool. And here's like a music box. I just want to repair. I have used this one, especially with the lock on. I can hear the sound, very satisfying, very convenient, easy to turn. Then I can also use this one to repair my glasses. That's knots is very small. I have to choose this small screwdriver Phillips head. It works just well, and all those mechanical locks sound very satisfying. That's my favorite part. Overall, it's pretty good screwdriver set, including 6 pieces, smart design. I really like the pattern, friction grip. My favorite part is the mechanical lock to make it a left-handed, right-handed system. The only downside, which is a minor thing about the case design, I wish they could use a better material.